Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. That is a 12-inch by 24-inch pre-primed dry black canvas. I have done the edges. That is my Meeden paint, which is my regular pouring recipe you can find below the video under Show More, with a small addition of a tiny bit of water, like 1 or 2% in my opinion, is all it takes. Just the water added is a catalyst. I have some paint left over. I just did some metallic Dutch poured leaves in neutral colors mostly, and I'm going to use a shovel as soon as I make sure my edges are all done all the way along, because I did the edges but the curves don't seem to be completely 100%. So my inclination is to rinse my fingers off quick like a bunny, and then come and get my paint, which I think wants a whole lot of gold in it. And I really want some turquoise. I don't know why the turquoise is calling to me, but it is. And it's too bad too, because it's not open. Well, maybe the electric blue will have to do. The electric blue is a metallic from Arteza, and I want some black in there as well. And while I'm at the black, I might as well put the white in. There's also some black onyx from Art Deco in there. Yeah, I love that blue. I'm going to have to buy some more really quick. I thought I might dribble this. I mean, like swipe it or tip it, but I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I might just do nothing. Although the temptation is very strong to dribble and tip. And since I'm already dribbling, there's only tipping left. That turquoise, the electric blue turquoise, is the bomb. I really love the bomb. I want to make sure I get rid of my colors. And anything else I have left in here is still worth potentially dotting. Got a whole shovel full of pretty neutrals with that blue. That's going right in the bucket, which is definitely telling me it's time to clean. Yeah, I might not do anything to this at all. Just a perfect little shovel pour. Might add some dots. Since they're already dripping, kind of feel like adding some white dots might not be a bad idea, because there isn't a lot of white there. And I've got some Anita's metallic. I think I want this paint to run over the edge, so I'm just going to lead the edge of it. Metallic white might, whoops, it might dendrite. I think I want some of that fire opal too. Actually, I'm just going to give myself permission to add some. Of whatever I want. Now the temptation comes for the blue. I think some blue dots are in order. Yes! I definitely like the blue dots. Woo! That's awesome! I like that more than I thought I was going to like that. So, I use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures, which is why I can leave my paint heavy, just like this. Let's make sure I'm happy with that. I am pretty happy with that. I'm going to do... just a tiny bit more. Know when to stop, woman. All right, so I have almost 92,000 subscribers, and I may actually have 92,000 by now. One can live in hope. And if you're newly subscribed, please be welcome. If you're not, and you've been here for a while, thank you so much for still being here, sticking with me. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. We'd love to have you. I love this. I love that. I love this. I love that. I'm a happy girl. This worked out pretty well. And I'm pretty sure I could probably swipe this out and it would still be awesome. But it's not worth going there. Just because I love what I have and the colors speak for themselves. The Mead and Paint and other tools and toys are on my Amazon link. My Amazon link is below the link tree. The link tree is right under the video. Also under the video you'll find my Teespring clothing, which is all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts and more. And if you can't find what you're after, and you can find the hashtag and the file number in the title of the video that you saw what you wanted, just let me know using my email address, which is directly under the link tree also. I think the only thing that might be missing is the odd spiral. But where to put them? Cautiously. I don't think they need too many of them, but a couple won't hurt. At all. Just a couple here and there. And there and here. I think I'm almost done. So I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Don't forget I have over 1,800 videos organized onto lists of 100. 18 lists of 100. And topic and genre, if you're looking for them, it's all playlists, created playlists. And my community board will show you tomorrow's video. And on my link tree, you will find my Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students, and I post tomorrow's video there. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors has albums you might want to check out of past artworks from YouTube videos, wet and dry sometimes. On the community board, if you want to ask me to see something dry, if it's not available that way, I will edit and I will share with you. If you have questions of any kind, you're more than welcome to ask. If you're looking for my 2 books, they're called Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, and they're volumes 1 and 2, and they're on the Amazon link, along with my OXO Omelette Turning Flip and Fold Miraculous Spatula. This is fun. I like this. And it's all neutrals, which should make Kathleen at Cause Creations very happy. Well, maybe not all neutrals. Maybe I still was a little naughty with that blue, but that blue is the bomb in there. So let's see if we can zoom in and show you guys more close up. It's a long one. I love, love, love this size and shape canvas. There's critters in there. I just saw a rhinoceros. Oh, excuse me for laughing so hard. There it is. It's right there. Right there in the middle. Looks like you might have lost this. Maybe it's hippopotamus. Oh, it doesn't look so much like it from down there, but... Alright, so I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Make sure to check out my Teespring clothing under the video. Give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. Please share my videos. Watch them longer. And know that if you do all those things, including watch them when the notifications come out, or watch at least 30 seconds of commercials, all those things are a great assistance to keeping me here. If you're looking for my paint pouring recipe, it is under the video. I torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint, also to release patterns when I can. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I know I said it twice. And I'm going to tell you again, I love you. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.